You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's break down how to pronounce this name. A name that has gone viral for more names from the NFL, college football included. Make sure to stay tuned, and more confusing and sometimes really surprising vocabulary in English, so stay tuned for that. Noah, the last name, the pronunciation with the spelling is pronounced as Knigga, Knigga. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.